at the bus station in San Jose, and I'm so excited. I'm going to buy my ticket because I'm going to travel around my country. And guess what? I know I'm going to find the amazing places. My first stop is going to be in Guanacaste. There's a beautiful beaches and volcanoes there. For example, Rincón de la Vieja. It is located in Liberia, Guanacaste. Rincón de la Vieja stands 1,960 meters above sea level and is the highest point in the national park. There are many beautiful hotels along the road. For example, Hacienda Huachipelín, Rincon Lodge, Blue River Resort, and more. There you can smell and watch the birds. Then I'm going to go to Punta Arenas, Quepos. There is a beautiful national park, Manuel Antonio. There you can see monkeys, birds, and deers. There are many restaurants in which you can eat seafood and local pizza. After that, I'm going to go to the South Pacific, Marino Ballena National Park, Corcovado, Ubita, and many beautiful places. There is a special restaurant in Sierpe in which you can eat the best fish ever. At the end of this trip, I'm going to go to Drake Bay, a beautiful beach with clear water. I'm going to practice snorkeling, kayaking, sport fishing, and guess what? The best part of the trip, I'm going to relax. Thank you, everybody, and please come to our country. Costa Rica is the best place ever in the world, and you can enjoy and you will see amazing and beautiful places.